Alright, everybody's awake, so I'm taking advantage of it. Who we got here? Oh, it's my red girl. This is the red colored boy, the one we nicknamed Cheeks. Without even looking, I know that's gray color. That should be my Doma. Let me see let's see what we got here. This is blue collar, which means that's green collar. Yep, green. Yeah, they're all awake, so taking advantage. So we are 34 days old. Aboriginal Tibetan Mastiffs. Claire, there's mommy. Coming to ruin our video. What? Yeah, there's Gray again. Green. Again, trying to eat my toes. Blue. She just nursed them. I'm shocked she's still nursing them as well as she is, because her poor belly is so scratched up from their teeth and their claws. So my guess is she'll be in and out here in a minute. This is Blue. Yeah. Blue trying to eat my tattoos. Green trying to, of course, eat my toes again. That's like this little puppy's goal, eating toes. And it's not moving its head, it's attached to my foot. Claire, you trying to get out of there? Oh, roadblock. Oh my goodness. That's Doma. That's my girl. She's just literally falling and tripping and attacking everything on her way through it. There's Cheeks. There you can see the bright orange cheeks. There's Gray. So 34 days old. Why do you just keep coming back in? She's still in her food, even though she has a full dish of food out there and another full dish of food just inside this door. But she likes stealing theirs off of their mat. She a bum.